We're going to answer this question here, which is asking us to evaluate the exact values for the following. And as always, there are multiple different ways of approaching these types of questions. Don't think what I'm about to do is the only way of doing it. You may have been taught a different way. You do what works best for you. Okay, as soon as I see cos of a negative angle, I know I can ignore that negative. That makes my life a lot easier. Then the next thing I want to do is I want to break up this angle. I'm going to break it up into 21 pi on 7 plus pi, oh, 7, sorry, pi on 3 plus pi on 3. So that's the same as 22 pi on 3 once you add those together. Now, what's 21 pi on 3? That is 7 pi on 3. So when thinking of my unit circle now, I know that 7 pi is going to be over here. I know it's going to be there. So if I'm going pi on 3 more than that, that means I'm in my, and it will actually be like this, I will be in my third quadrant. I'm in my third quadrant. So in my third quadrant, is my cos negative or positive? It is negative in my third quadrant. So that means all I have to consider now is what is negative cos of pi on 3. Hopefully you have cos of pi on 3 memorized. What it's going to be is a half. That is a half there. And then I have to put the negative there as well. So that means what my answer is going to be is this. If you're struggling to figure out what cos of pi on 3 is, you can use your special triangles at this point. So this is, you'd be referring to where you wrote it at the very beginning of the test. The square root of 3, 2, 1, pi on 3 is there. Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, it's a half. So that's how you can think it through. So that's how I would approach this question. You may do it differently. You do what works best for you. All right, see ya.